Hi everyone, so I'm Harold Borres and I will be reacting to the new music video of Bini and wala ko kabalo I cannot remember if what's the title, so I really don't have any idea about the video. So what I'm doing now is um I will just I will just watch and then see my reaction. So I saw all the teasers and grabe napakaganda ng mga teasers. I love the teasers. Parang nung nakita ko lang siya in a glimpse, I thought it was a Korean. I thought it was a K-pop group and nung nakita ko, oh my gosh, Bini pala sila. So I was interested to have a reaction video because ang ganda ng teaser. So how much more the music video. So I want to see the total production, the total output, the full output of the Bini music video. So the title is Born to Win. I believe this is the title, Born to Win. So let's begin na. Uy, sige na, go. Ready, go. Oh my gosh, parang ang hina ng... Wait. Hindi ko Wait, dapat pala akong naka-earphones. Dapat pala ako naka-earphones. Okay, at the same time, itong sa akin, i-mute ko. Okay, wait. Let's begin. My gosh, 'di ba parang sa Twice, ang ganda na ng editing. Wow! My gosh, wait, I need to pause from time to time. O sino 'yun? Sino 'yun? Parang may earthquake. Oh, solar eclipse. Alam ko 'yan, yung oh my gosh, wait. Parang Twice yung concept because parang may ganito na yung music video na Twice, 'di ba? Yung parang mga robot sila na yung ano ba yun? Oh my gosh! My gosh, the production is really... My gosh, they are all so beautiful!
Yeah, I felt it, and I've been there through different faces.
Oh my gosh, wait. English siya? Oh my gosh, it's English and at the same time, I don't know if the place is original, wow, original, or they just made the entire place. Like parang production lang siya or green screen lang ba yan? Pero ang ganda, parang nasa totoong location sila or maybe nasa location talaga sila. Oh my gosh, like pero so far 'no, walang tapon, ang ganda nilang lahat. Of course, they're very talented because they can all sing, at the same time they can all dance. So, my gosh, okay, let's continue. I will pause from time to time, and it's kinda bad. Wow, it's kinda bad. Okay, let's go.
I've been feeling like I don't have the power in this. It took me a few dead ends to finally understand. Got to push harder.
English.
The failures only made me strong. I used to be so careless, but now I'm more than fearless.
Oh, the song is really
Don't
nice.
stop yourself, 'cause the world is us. We're made to be broken, but we won't stop. So let me hear it, I'm on it. Now every step we take, boundary we break. There's nothing we can do. Whenever it's hard to see, just shake it up to me. There's nothing you can do. Nothing can hold us back.
My God, did you see the transition? Grabe. Oh my gosh, the production is really good and at the same time the song is really, 'di ba, from careless to being fearless. Being from careless to being fearless, and parang I can relate to that because before after college I was being careless in my job and now I'm being fearless in my career. Wow, I'm feeling naman. So, oh, the message is so good. Wait.
Let's make the moment last. That you have it, then it won't fade away. 'Cause baby, we were born to win.
We are born to win. That's the title. Look at your music video is really good.
Listen up. Do this, do that. Just climb up the ladder and give.
I just didn't know them yet individually. Hindi ko pa alam yung mga pangalan nila. Ang alam ko lang is si Sheena at saka si si Gwen because they're from PBB, and the rest, sorry, hindi ko pa sila alam, hindi ko pa sila kilala. So,
And sometimes it's harder, and all you need is some time. It'll take you a few dead ends to finally understand. Got to push harder, the failures only make you strong. I used to be so careless, careless, but now I'm more than fearless, fearless. Don't stop yourself, cause the world is ours, we're made to be broken. But we won't stop, we won't stop. So let me hear it, I'm on it. Now every step we take, boundary we break, there's nothing we can do. We make it hard to see, just repeat it to me. There's nothing you can do. Nothing can hold us back. Let's make the moment last. Let you have it, then we'll fade away. Cause baby, we were born to win.
you are born
Now
to
I
win.
have found my
All of us.
confidence, confidence. There's only one me, yeah. We were born to live, born to make mistakes. Every boundary we break, every step we take. Together we can go facing anything.
Wow. All of them are Miss Universes. Wow. So please let me know if sino yun sila, yung mga, I really
Now
wanna
every step we take, boundary we break. There's nothing we can do. When it gets hard to see, just repeat it to me. There's
I
nothing you
wanna
can
know
do.
if
Nothing can hold us back. Let's make the moment last. Let you have it, then we'll fade away. Cause baby, we were born to win. We were born to win.
oh, Filipiniana, they're bringing the Philippine outfit in this music video. Oh, so what's that box? Sheena, wait, napailan sila. Sheena, Mika, Maloy. I believe Maloy is the vocal. Colette, the main vocal si Maloy. Aya. Gwen, of course, I know Gwen. Stacy, Cece. This one, familiar to palang girl trends before. What's her name? Oh my gosh, it's so good. Aloy. Joanna is so familiar. I believe she's from Girl Trends. And what I'm gonna say after the music video, I'm so happy that nag-i-improve at saka nag-a-upgrade yung mga music videos natin like sa BGYO, yung sa SB19, and now sa Bini. Like, grabe. Yung ano nila, yung first music video nila, yung Coconut, yung Nut is a Nut, basta yon medyo low cost pa yon kasi 'di ba para nasa mga location lang siya, pero ito parang grabe nasa studio na talaga, at the same time ang gagaling ng pagka-edit, like parang twice level, ganon yung level. At the same time, the outfits, the hairs, the stylists are on full the styles. So 'di ba? Parang it's good na ito na yung future na ilo-look forward ng mga young generations here in the Philippines, para at least support local din naman kasi 'di ba, in order for our economy to high up, we need to support our own locals, 'di ba? Of course, support naman din natin yung internationals because it's our nasa atin naman yan, 'di ba, if you will support international. But also, we need to support our own because they are so good, and alam ko na ang pinaglaban talaga nila 'to. At the same time, grabe yung struggle na dinaanan nila, especially na during COVID, naka-lockdown lang sila sa isang place. At the same time, grabe yung rehearsal, and of course, nakita naman natin yung mga live performances nila on Showtime, ASAP. At the same time, it's really good. Like, grabe, napaka-flawless na mga performances nila. So, good job to Bini. And I can't wait na they will produce more music, at the same time, more music videos. Kasi parang medyo hindi pa sila noon masyado, no, compare sa BGYO at saka sa SB19. So I hope na sooner or later that inaabangan na sila ng mga madla here in the Philippines. Kasi ang gaganda nila, at the same time napaka-talented, like grabe. I know sa story nila na hindi sila lahat singers and dancers, pero because of the training, naging magaling sila, and that's really good because imagine ilang months or years lang sila, 1 year lang yata sila nag-practice, nag-training. So ganyan ka mga magagaling yung mga Pinoy, 'di ba? Compare sa others, ilang years, like 10 years, 5 years, gano'n. So 'di ba, ang gagaling ng mga Pinoy. So saludo tayo sa mga Binis, mga bini-bini. So I believe that's it, and please comment below if you want me to do this kind of thing, like to what do you call it? To react on the video. So I'm so happy and I'm so excited sa mga upcoming projects ng Bini. So thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, this is Alot Borres saying, wala ko'y saying. Bye!